Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Honey. I just want to tell the world I love you all. I know we all are passing this most worst moment in the world. And this moment, a lot of things is going by, a lot of things is changing, and a lot of us are confused, a lot of us are in trouble. In one way or the other, everyone is facing the same problem in different ways. So we can see that it's no longer a thing that is one person or one continent or one town or one anything. It's all together. And this thing is very painful. Even the scientists and every doctors and all, we don't even have a good result from them. No good reply, no good nothing. Notice we don't talk anything. We repeat one word twice. They are saying the same thing. We don't have anything that we hold. We don't know when it's going to finish this invisible war we are fighting. So this thing is leading to different things entirely. In everyone in the world is taking it in a different way, and is very fearful. I don't know how this is going to end up, but I just wish that this thing end up as soon as possible. I will continue respecting everyone, whatever we are doing, how we are taking care of ourselves. Please, if you have not involved of this virus, please don't be involved. Do everything to protect yourself. But those have already involved, please do everything to get well, to be safe, to be out of it. We have to do that. You have to do that. You have to love your life. You have to love yourself. You have to. I don't have to tell you, but you have to. You have to fight for it. Use your last force of your body to fight back this virus. The virus is not only killing those that are affected. Different things is happening. Hungries have started. See different kind of madness in the world. This thing is getting out of hands. But I wish everyone should be calm. Please, all we are going to fight for the solution. Now that the solution have no heart, please protect yourself. That is the most important thing now. Protect yourself. I will continue repeating this thing until this virus stories is ended. Protect your life. Love yourself. I see some horrible videos, especially from the Africa videos. It's very horrible. Those one virus is not killing them, they're only killing themselves for no reason. I see they are becoming a problem to themselves. Try someone is going to put in their ear the Chinese on in the Chinese this and that. Please, this is not the time of a battleground. We are already fighting an enemy we are not seeing. Don't allow them to use you. Don't allow them to force what is not true in you. Even the Chinese too. They are already the victims. Please don't allow these two continents to become enemy of each other. I know our politics, they know what to do. Innocent ones, please take care of yourselves. Very important. The common people like me, take care of yourself. No one will love you if you don't love yourself. If you're careless with your life, what did you expect others to do with you? It's very important. I continue saying your life is important. You are important in this world. You have a meaning of being in this world, not perishing, not giving yourself as a victim. If those, I'm telling the whole world, you can see the World Organization cannot even give us a very good reasons. These things are be out, they are telling us to follow the protocol. These things are be out, they are telling us to be patient. They are telling us to remain. You see, we see different kind of madness in the world. Doctors are becoming out in different ways. A vaccine of no reason want to be play out. There is too much madness. Please, individually, love yourself. If we stay calm and love ourselves and we keep ourselves, we don't forfeit things. I know there is no food anymore. That is the most important thing our politics need to think of. No food. Those who's living in Italy, I've told you the other time what to do. When you are hungry, ask. That is one thing I love about Italy. It's not a land where you just dying hungry. You don't have money to give to you, but when there's food, there is always who is ready to give you. This is not the time you close your mouth, you die inside your room for nothing. Ask. You will be given. Ask. Ask information. Go to your commune. Ask your neighbor. Don't be ashamed. When you are hungry, ask. Ask. That is what is going on. No one that is working. I know the low people, the lowest people on earth, those that doesn't have any mist. Those are the people who survive. And those are the ones I'm telling. Ask your neighbor. Those is living in Italy. What I'm saying. Those in Africa is another different story entirely. That is another thing the government had to face the situation because they have another lifestyles there. That is what they are doing. You cannot ask your neighbor anything there. It's very, your neighbor don't even have. 99% of Africa are under poverty. We know that. Please, the government have to provide for their lovely indigents. We see what is going on. Even there are still good things in Africa. But help those one who's already dying one way or the other. And those in the Western world who are okay. If you have any missed, please help each other so that we can remain in this earth. There is still going to be a good time. I say when the rain fall, all the days of the days of the year, there's always one day that the sun will shine. And when the sun shines, whatever we plant is going to nourish and grow again. Please remember that when you provide for your lovely one, that is when you are happy in you. And please don't be used. Don't be used. Don't allow anyone to use you. This is a time different things comes out that on incredible ways, incredible things we are hearing. I'll repeat again. For the common people, the poor people, the average people, we all know what is going on. Please love yourself. Love yourself. Those that is working, if you have any missed, call your co-friends to eat. Is very important now. And respect the law. What about the 2 videos we see in Italy? The 2 videos who doesn't respect the law, disobedient, you see what it cost. The other one lose his life, the other one was shut down, a lady was disgraced. Because you don't love yourself. So even with those one in different world, we see what is going on. Please love yourself. I will continue telling you. I love you all. I want everyone to be saved like me. I hide in my house. I do the little I can do. But my life is more important than any other thing. Please. This evening just come to bring you some notice that is coming up very soon. Those who live in Italy, we are hearing that they are trying to come back again gradually to their daily activities, daily life. They are trying to bring, to make sure the activity continue. People are really tired of all these things. We all know that this is started at the 21st of February in Italy. So 21st of February at us today, which is 15th of March, it is just too much for people who is not ready for this. So I think the government is trying to bring another law that we can live with the virus. a way that we can live with the virus. We cannot be affected. There will not be a mass of death. There will not be too much of infected people. So I think they plan different way that we can be safe. If we follow it, we won't be harmed. So that is what they bring out, which are called these what they call it. The information is, they call it 5D, 4D. I mean 4D. 4D. What do you mean? 4 different things, 4 different laws, which started with D altogether. So if we follow these things, when they start coming out again, and we remember these things in our daily life, put it regularly, we will be safe. That is what they are telling us. Please, let's do it and follow the regulation, because there is nothing. Virus doesn't have any cure yet. There is no medicine can stop this. Even if there is medicine, we don't have it here. Spread out where I'm living, no one have it here. You can see life are losing every day here. The number of life who have lost today is more than 20-something-thousand people in Italy alone. We talk about Spain, we talk about Paris. You see how many people have lost their life. This is Europeans. I don't know of Jamie, but they have life everywhere. So that is why they bring this a bit, because of Europe are different than Africans. So they now bring different way that we can live. The first one, which is the first D, out of the 4D they told us, is first one is distance. The distance between each other. Even at your work, those that is working in a factory, you are going to see it. They are going to be a different way of living in the fabric now, in the factories now. So they are going to be different. It's no longer we are going to be together anymore. Even when they are going to be together, there's going to be a distance of 1 meter from each other. And at the same time, we are going to take care of all those metrics. If we don't do it, those are the law they give to us. It's law. We have to do it. And if you don't do it and you continue just as you are normally living in your Western world, you can become a victim, please. And a grouping, that is abolished. There is nothing like grouping anymore. That distance, even when you want to go to church now, your pastor is going to reduce a lot of people, because you cannot sit together in your churches again all together. Maybe there will be different sectors. I don't know how they are going to do that. But any other thing, even those people that take train, when you're inside the train, you don't go close. You have to have 1 meter from each other. That's the distance they ask us to take. And the second one, D, which is called DPL. In Italian, call it DPE, which is called disposizioni protezioni individuali, which is what they call it, like mask, like our hand gloves. Those are the things we use to protect ourselves individually. These are the dispositivo they ask us to have, things that will protect you and protect others from you. So those are the things you have to have. All these things going to obligation now. We all know those that is going to work already know is an obligation. So there is nothing you are going to touch without using your hand gloves and mask anymore. And the third D is digitalizzazione, which is called digitally. We all know what I'm talking about. Technology. Example of our smartphone. As it's coming now, maybe doctors and those people that have a medical doctors, they cannot go to doctors again. You want to talk to your doctor, you just put it application. Your doctor, you can talk to your doctor through your smartphone. As I'm talking to the platform, you can talk to your daughters. And those that go to bank, you can use it. And there's going to be application you are going to put on it. This application, we know if there's application of sex certificate is in your smartphone. So those that doesn't have smartphone, If you can get one, maybe Android can still be okay, but they wrote smartphone. You know, when you have your smartphone, you can do this application, set certificate. There are so many things. Those things you have been going from office to another to do, those things are going to abolish for now. They are going to different world. That is why I say things happen for something to happen. Things happen for something to change. You see, the Western world have already started changing their system of living. So when they put it on gradually, though our initial show is going to be, it's not going to be easy for those of us that doesn't really know a technology. So, but gradually we have to cope with it. That is what they want us to do. And the fourth one, D, is the diagnostica, which is called your test. Your test, the test you are going to do. What the Italian call it tamponi, to test you. In your working place now, those have already been, well, they already know. In the morning when you go to work, you see your temperature, they test you. Now, before you start to go to any ward, they'll ask you to do your blood test and every different test they ask you to, especially the sanitation aspect. It's already, even when you are not entering work, it's already been done. In my own sectors, we are all done it and we are still doing it. So that is it. They ask us to do all these things. This 4D is going to be a common theme of our lifestyle daily. It's not going to be a thing that if I don't know, I don't do it. No, you have to. It's an obligation that you have to. Especially when you are foreign and living in a foreign country. You know, they expected you all these things. If not, work is not easy. And when you don't know all these things, they will use the opportunity to tell you don't know anything. They don't have to take you. So that is the reason why those who are not working at home, please try to apply these things within you. Let it be your normally daily living. Practice it daily. Live with it daily. So when the whole thing started, I think from now till at the end of the month, most every work is going to be where I think they have already different days of different sectors that is going to open. So we can see within the end of the March, April, May, June, July, August. So all those things we have already out of it inside the house, and we are going to be using this thing. The Chinese have already be using it, They have already be using it. The Japanese, they are already be using it. Those, for example, let me go back again to those Africa people that say 5G is the problem of it, and that is the fastest way. The Chinese they have started using the 5G for this fast thing. And this application I'm going to applicate, it's going to it's another different thing. I don't want to say more that people might not be, maybe it might shock you. Because even if you have because you are going to apply it in a way that even you have virus, without even going to them, they have already trace you out with this smartphone, with this application. There are different applications that is going to come out. Think they will tell us one by one. Now they are telling these are the things we are going to put on. When they started, when they asked us to come out and be living daily life, these are the things that are going to put on. So there are still many things we have to learn under these things. Like example, this technology application. So I don't know exactly what they are going to apply, or the application you are going to apply in your phone. Then maybe gradually we see it in the government, what is it called, government.com. Look at it and see what they ask us to do there. Please, it is the time for all of us to be a technology. We have to grow now. I love it in one way or the other because it will help everyone. Those that doesn't know how to do technology, they are still growing it. It will help them too. So that is the best. The most important of all is your self-discipline. Your self-discipline matters a lot in anything on earth. Self-discipline, that is what matters in everything on earth, even without virus or with the virus. These are the things you have to put together. Please respect yourself and keep yourself safe. Love yourself and love everything around you. Though the world, I know for us, most of us, I say it's not easy, it's not easy. Nothing is easy for anyone. And you can see the virus is not dealing with only the poor people, dealing with everybody in different ways. I think the poor people are not even involved in dying. Some of the people that is even dying, those people that can take care of themselves. Those are the one of Europe. I don't know of the one of other places. The one in Africa, please, is not even virus killing them. They are killing themselves in different way. And remember, there is no vaccine that can cure virus. No vaccine that can cure virus. There is none. They are still looking on how to test it. They are still searching for people to use to test it. There was an information a lady yesterday I watched, is a very beautiful lady, is a daughter. I follow her very well because it's my status. And she explained to the world. Though she explained in Italian language, I cannot bring the audio for you to listen to. But if you ask me on private, I will bring it to you. And this lady explained to us, even those who live in Italy, the dangers of this big guilt vaccine. He told us the dangers of this big guilt vaccine. When they paid you for you to be allowed to be tested, or they trap you one way or the other, that they test on you, just know that all the days of your life, you are going to be a chronic sick somebody. Just know that, because there's nothing will heal you. The chronicle will have it. And if you continue distracting yourself, not taking care of yourself, you can become a victim. And this thing is not helpful. Love yourself. I love you all. I want you all to know that we are living in a mad moment. That is why we are seeing someone like me coming here to come and give video. It's not easy for me. Please, love yourself. I love you all. I wish you. Ciao.